If you're seeing the error, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower when opening GCash, here's how to fix it. First, open your phone's settings. Tap the search bar and search for Developer Options. If it's turned on, turn it off. Next, go back to your settings and scroll down to Apps. Tap Manage Apps, then search for and select the GCash app. Tap Storage, then select Clear Data. First, clear the cache, then tap Clear All Data and confirm by pressing OK. This refreshes the app. Now, return to the home screen and open Settings again. Search for Update and select Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. After updating, check if the GCash app works. If the app still doesn't work, it's likely because GCash doesn't support Android 4.4 and lower. In that case, you'll need to upgrade to a newer phone with a supported Android version. If this helped, tap like, comment with your phone model, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.